All right, let me say something that's going to annoy a lot of people. The lazy way to become a programmer is actually the best way.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah, I know. Everyone online tells you the opposite. They're like, bro, just grind harder, study 12 hours a day, build 50 projects, watch 400 tutorials. But that whole approach, it's like doing heart surgery with a chainsaw. You don't need a chainsaw. You need a scalpel. And lazy programmers, the good kind of lazy, they figure that out way earlier. Now, hold up. Before someone in the comments loses their mind, when I say lazy, I don't mean doing nothing. I mean refusing to waste time. There's a difference. See, when I started learning the code, I did exactly what everyone told me to do. Tutorials, even more tutorials. My YouTube history looked like a programming boot camp. And the worst part, I felt productive. Like, yeah, I'm learning. But then you try to build something on your own and suddenly your brain goes blank. You're staring at the screen like, wait, how do I even start this? That's when I realized something most beginners completely miss. Programming isn't about memorizing syntax, and it's definitely not about vibe coding your way through projects either. It's about patterns. Once you see the patterns, everything changes. But most people never get there. And the reason is this thing called the bell curve. Picture a big hill. On the left side, you've got people who just never make it. Wrong mindset, they quit early or they burn out trying to grind 12 hours a day. Then you've got the middle. That's the majority, the tutorial hell warriors. They build the same weather app, the same to-do list, the same calculator. Every single beginner builds the exact same stuff. 6 months later, they're wondering why they can't get interviews. And I get it, I did the same thing. At one point, I had like 6 half-finished projects sitting in my folders. Weather app, habit tracker, some random API project, all abandoned. My GitHub looked like a coding graveyard. But here's the thing. Even when people escape tutorial hell, they fall into a different trap. They start vibe coding everything. Just prompt the AI, copy the code, paste it, run it, and for a minute you feel like a genius. You're like, yo, this is easy. Then the code breaks. And suddenly you're staring at 300 lines of AI-generated spaghetti wondering what just happened. I've been there. That's not programming. That's gambling with autocomplete. The developers who actually win in this industry are on the right side of that bell curve. They figure something out early. Programming isn't about knowing everything. It's about recognizing patterns. Once you understand the structure of problems, new languages and frameworks stop being scary. It's just the same ideas wearing different outfits. But here's another mistake beginners make. People say just build projects. And yeah, projects matter, but the type of project matters even more. If you're building the same projects as every bootcamp student on the planet, you're not standing out. You're just another developer in the pile. A smarter move is building something in a domain you already understand. If you worked retail, build a retail tool. If you're into fitness, build gym software. Now you're not just a coder. You're someone who understands the problem and the solution. That combination is powerful. And now there's something else that completely changes the game. AI. Lazy programmers use AI differently. They use it like a tutor. Sometimes I'll paste code and ask it why something broke. Sometimes I'll ask it to explain a concept in simple terms. Now it's not writing everything for me, it's helping me think better. And thinking is the real skill here. Another thing that changed how I learned was the 80-20 rule. Roughly 20% of concepts give you 80% of your results. Core logic, problem solving, patterns. When you focus on those, everything else gets easier. But here's the part people hate hearing. Reading tutorials isn't learning. Your brain loves pretending it understands things.
So I started doing something really simple. Whenever I learn something new, I stop and ask myself a few things. What is this actually doing? Why does it even exist? When would I use it? That alone forces your brain to think instead of just copying code. And here's another thing that helped me a lot. Revisit things later. Learn it today, check it again tomorrow, then maybe next week. That's how stuff actually sticks. Subscribe to become a fellow DevSplite.